I'm just giving rich bitch energy. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Your girl has been trying to get her life. Today I'm going to be installing a unit from Myfirstwig, you guys. They sent me this really beautiful bob, so I'm excited about this install because I have like a vision. I want to do like a flip over, but I want it to be like flat, no middle part this time. This is a 60% density bob from them, 10 inches. I will link everything in the description box below. The wig was packaged in this box. I didn't bleach the knots, I don't believe so. She's black, she's jet black. I'm just gonna take some gel and push my little edges back. As you can see, this is how I wanna wear this bob. I wanna kinda give it like a, you know, a little swoopy doo, and I haven't done this in a little bit. So as you can see, there's some plucking I have to do, and we're just gonna pray. Sound like I'm going to war.
A conversation that we never had. We played it in my head. I say the right thing and you smile just like you used to. Took me way back to when I knew you. This time I don't.
Just a little bit more density that I need to pull out from back here, so you know it's not bulky. So this is basically what I was going for, but this part right here just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. You know, some needs to get taken out. But overall, this is basically what I'm going for. I'm gonna cut around the lace. I'm going to lay my wig with my 𝐷𝐸 glue spray. Y'all know the drill. Boo babies, so this is the exciting part for me because your girl gets into straightening this bob, and you can really tell how bomb the quality is on this hair, and I was so in love with it. I did go and grab a comb afterwards once I started realizing that it was giving really dense towards the back half. And I'm not even gonna lie, this unit reminds me of an Anthony cut type of styled wig, and I'm so here for it because it just looks really professional. And I am using my Baby Bliss flat iron to just straighten the unit. So like I mentioned, I am taking my comb just to help straighten this hair so it can give really sleek and straight. But I also make sure to not let the hair fall after bumping it, if that makes sense. And the only reason why I do that is because I want the volume to stay towards the back half. It definitely elevates the look to the unit by doing this, but it also shows you how nice this unit is cut. I feel like the jet black definitely added that luxe vibe to the unit and made it look super sleek, and I just was so in love with this unit, you guys. Now this part is really repetitive, but it's super important when you are working on a bob because you want to make sure you section off your hair and then straighten every piece that you possibly can so it can have that flow and movement that you see. And you will see me go in and tweeze so much more to make this as flat as possible. In day 2, you can really see how flat the unit came out to be, and I was really happy with the results. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. There's not really much more to explain other than the fact that I used probably some Garnier serum towards the top half and my ORS hairspray. just to make sure everything is laid and there's no flyaways. I don't even think that I stressed how the knots are super light on this unit, so it makes it so easy to install it on a daily. And another thing, I didn't have to bleach the knots. I believe I said that in the beginning, but I just wanted to tell you guys that before I close out this video. I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, y'all.
This is familiar, I feel you, how can that be? I thought I was gonna run up, trying to find a happier me. But flying away didn't fix a thing, barely alive on the G5, bottle away from me drowning. Thought when I slipped in down there, ran into Toronto, tipsy. You never say that you miss me, but I know that you miss me. I wish you were with me. Hey. Conversation that we never had. We played in my head. I say the right thing and you smile just like you used to. Took me way back to when I knew you. This time I don't make the same mistakes. I don't ever break your heart. You don't have all you can take. And we don't fall apart or this can't be real. Already made my escape. Some things you can't run away from. I wanted to weather the change. Tried my best to outrun the rain. Only way I deal with the pain. I know you feel the same. I know you feel the same.
I did the water dye method, and y'all, I'm sure, already know how to do all of that. But that's pretty much all I did with this unit, you guys. I rocked her out. I wanted to wear this hair out so bad yesterday, and I just grabbed some oysters and some, you know, mussels and had a little drink, and that was it. But as you can see, I did not stick with the baby hairs, you guys. It just wasn't given, and I had this specific look in my head for this hairstyle, right? I wanted to do like really flat swoops at the top, but it just wasn't giving that same look with like weave versus if you had your own edges out. I just didn't like it, so I ended up just taking a little bit more density out, like right here, just so it can be pretty flat, so it can look as realistic as possible. And I did go in and add some foundation powder underneath the wig because this is day 2. I ended up going out last night. Kind of used some black hairspray just to close it up a little bit because I wanted it to be like a, you know, a good visible parting situation going all the way, you know, back here. So I took my time and try to make this as flat as possible. But yeah, I told y'all it's giving rich bitch energy vibes. So I hope you feeling it how I'm feeling it, and definitely check out Myfirstwigs down there in the description box below, y'all, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.
Conversation that we never had. We played in my head. I say the right thing and you smile just like you used to. Took me way back to when I